So you're in midlife, and everywhere you look, people are telling you that your best years are behind you. Does that sound familiar? Meanwhile, you're watching 60-year-olds running marathons, 70-year-olds starting a business, and wondering, what do they know that I don't? Well, here's the truth. Age is just a number, and I'm about to show you the science-backed secrets that can add not just years to your life, but life to your years. Stay until the end because I'm sharing my free midlife reinvention quiz and blueprint that shows you exactly where you stand and what to focus on first. Stick around. Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I'm living proof that midlife can be your launch pad, not your finish line. I hold a PhD, and I'm a former C-suite executive who has led statewide consulting teams, mentored thousands of business owners, and evaluated programs at the national level. But here's the thing. At 49, my own life flipped completely upside down, and I had to reinvent myself using some of the tools that I created as an executive. Today, my mission is to help and inspire other women in midlife rediscover their joy, design their next chapter with purpose, clarity, and confidence. The truth is, ladies, if I can do this, so can you. And if this speaks to you, hit that like button. Please tell YouTube you want more real talk about thriving in midlife. And honestly, your engagement really keeps me motivated to share these raw, unfiltered stories. Let me guess what's happening. So you're watching people your age or older who seem to have cracked some secret code. They're vibrant, energetic, and living like they're 20 years younger. Meanwhile, you're dealing with energy crashes that leave you feeling ancient, aches and pains that make you feel like you're falling apart, that creeping fear that your best years are actually behind you. I remember at 50 being exhausted after climbing one flight of stairs thinking, is this it? Is this what the next 30 years will look like? Here is what nobody tells you. The problem isn't your age. It's not your genetics. It's not even your past choices. The problem is that you're following outdated advice from a generation that thought aging gracefully meant accepting decline. But the science has completely changed. We now know that biological aging and chronological aging are two totally different things. You can literally reverse years of cellular damage and add healthy decades to your life if you know what actually works. So here's what I discovered. After diving deep into longevity research and becoming my own guinea pig, I found something incredible. I'm calling it the longevity triangle. It's 3 science-backed pillars that can literally slow down and in some cases reverse biological aging. The psychology behind why this works? Well, your body is designed to adapt and regenerate. But most people are accidentally triggering aging accelerators instead of activators. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements, you don't need a crazy diet or hours in the gym. You need strategic interventions. You know, I'm speaking mainly to women who are reinventing themselves after 50, but if you're a man and on the same path, this content is for you too. Here's the longevity triangle broken down. Step 1 is cellular cleanup, autophagy activation. Think of this as taking out your cellular trash. I started with intermittent fasting and an eating window from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Within weeks, I had energy that was through the roof. But why does this work? Well, after 12 and 16 hours without food, your body switches from glucose burning to cellular cleanup mode. Step 2 is mitochondria optimization, your cellular powerhouse. Your mitochondria are like tiny little batteries in your cells. Most people have dying batteries. Try adding cold exposure, like 2-minute showers every morning can be a game changer. Plus strategic movement, maybe 7 minutes of high intensity intervals 3 to 4 times a week. Why this works? Well, cold stress and short bursts of intense exercise create new mitochondria and make existing ones stronger. It's like upgrading your cellular power grid. Step 3 is hormetic stress, the good kind of stress. This is where most people get confused. Not all stress ages you. Some stress makes you younger. A good practice would be to incorporate heat therapy like sauna 3 times a week, breath work, and strategic sleep optimization. Well, why does this work? Because small doses of controlled stress triggers your body repair and adaptation mechanisms. It's like a strength training for your cells. Hey, if you've ever felt lost after a major life change and you don't know how to move forward, I created something called the Midlife Reinvention Quiz and Blueprint, helping you find clarity, confidence, and your next chapter. It's a self-paced, step-by-step guide I wish I had when I felt completely lost. Inside, I walk you through exercises to uncover your hidden strengths, test drive new direction, and rebuild an identity that feels aligned. If you're ready to stop drifting and start designing your next chapter of your life with clarity and confidence, check it out. The link is in the description. So here is where most people stop, so just don't. They get the basics, but they miss the secret sauce that makes everything exponentially more powerful. So keep watching. Circadian rhythm optimization, where most longevity advice ignores your internal clock. Big mistake. I started tracking my chronotype, timing my meals, exercises, and even my work around my natural rhythms. It has really worked. The real magic happens when you align your longevity practices with your circadian biology. Here's my transformation. At 55, my biological age tested at 45. My doctor said that my blood work looked super good, but the real win, I wake up excited about my day. I have energy that lasts. I'm planning adventures for my 70s and 80s, not just hoping I make it there. So here is why this method works. The compound effect. Small daily actions create exponential results over time. Your identity shift. Stop seeing yourself as aging and start seeing yourself as optimizing. Positive feedback loop. Quick wins motivate bigger changes. And controlled paradox. The more you control what you can, the less you worry about what you can't. Purpose extension. When you know you have decades ahead, you invest in bigger dreams. The truth is, longevity isn't about adding years to a declining life. It's about adding vibrant, purposeful decades to an expanding life. Here is what I know. You have more time than you think and more potential than you ever imagined. Your next chapter isn't about gracefully accepting decline. It's about strategically designing expansion. The question isn't whether you'll live longer, it's whether you'll live better. And if you want to learn more about transforming your health and vitality in midlife, you need to watch my next video. I break down the hyperbaric chamber oxygen therapy that's scientifically proven to slow down aging. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're ahead of you if you know how to claim them. See you next time.